but I can teach myself to code. I can go out and get a technical job to support myself through college. That's what I did. You know, I would do my own coding exercises, you know, on my own at home. And I worked tech support at a dial-up internet service provider way back when, right? When you say that, you're really showing how old you are. But I used to pick up the phone, you know, smiling and dialing, helping people with their tech problems, and that's how I got through college. But it, you know, but it got me in the tech field, right? It got me working around tech. So it can be done, guys. So Kielad from Jakarta says, thank you, Dennis, for doing this consistent knowledge sharing. Finally having the time to join this class. Well, thank you. You know, I don't think of this as my class. I just think of this as like my daily streaming. Just, you know, I'm passionate about data science, so I like coming on stream and talking to all of you. But if you are interested in a class, on Sundays, we are going through this book, Introduction to Statistical Learning.